started in 3, 2, 1. Power up!
Quarterfinal 4, match number 1 now underway. Blue Alliance taking their switch, red doing the same. Team 234's robots living up to its name, Lightning. It quickly sets a second cube, has a third one in its grasp. Here it comes around. Oh, just short. 51-41. Red Alliance in the lead. Early on, here comes the Blue Alliance, Team 135 out of Mishawaka. Sets their first power cube for the Blue Alliance onto the scale. Red responds with 2 more on the opposite side of the arcade. Meanwhile, human player behind the driver's station glass, ready for the cube from 5484 of the Red Alliance. Early power up, thanks to that awesome robot. We are now gonna find the Red Alliance with a free climb at the end of the match worth 30 points. Team 135, Robot Black Knight, had a little bit of trouble with the power cube. Cyber Blue comes by to help him out, sets one into place, knocks it over a little bit, but there it is. It sits pretty atop the scale. 80 seconds left to go. Red Alliance still in the lead, as Kilobytes are now hovering on the far side of the arcade with a cube in tow. Red Alliance activating their boost power up, level 3. That'll double the scale and switch. Speaking of the scale, it's teetering back and forth. So far, it looks like it's hovering onto the Red Alliance side. Cube falls off at the last second. That'll open up an opportunity for Pin Robotics to set one up. Falls off as well, however, they still have it in their possession. 45 seconds left. Blue Alliance trying to make some magic happen here. Cyber Blue over on the red side of the field. They're now in a defensive position for the Blue Alliance, bumped up against Career Academy. As final seconds are coming down to a close. These robots are ready to climb and face the boss. South Bend Team 5484 on the red platform. They're gonna wait for Team Hammond to climb aboard. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance will find Cyber Blue hooked up. Pin Robotics hooked up. Less than 10 seconds left to go. 2 robots on red, 2 robots on blue are ready to face the boss, and the clock hits 0 in quarterfinal 4, match number 1. All right, the scores are in. Alliance 3, the Red Alliance, will take this first match 436-334. Those ownership points and vault points really helped them secure that win. We'll see if Alliance 6 can make something happen when they next again face. Coming up next, quarterfinal 1, match number 2.